Reporting anything on Roblox will send it to Roblox's moderation team for them to evaluate whether this profile or item or game is actually breaking Roblox's terms of service and or the guidelines. I'm going to start with showing you how to report a Roblox profile. Now there's two methods to do this. One is when you're outside a game and one is when you're inside a game. So if we're outside of a game, all we need to do is find the profile of the Roblox user that we would like to report, and then we can look at their homepage and see there's a big red button that says report abuse. It's going to be below their about me section. So when we click this, it'll take us to this page where we're allowed to select a category and write a comment. So for the categories, we have inappropriate language, profanity, and adult content, asking for or giving private information, bullying, harassment, discrimination, dating, exploiting, cheating, or scamming, account theft, phishing, hacking, or trading, inappropriate content, place, image, or model, real-life threats and suicide threats, inaccurate age guidelines, e.g. blood or violence, or an other rule violation. All of these are pretty self-explanatory, but if what you're reporting them for doesn't fall into any of these categories, then you can select other rule violation. Now, once you select a subject, it's very important for you to input a comment about their behavior. In this, you will explain in detail what guideline they are breaking and how they are breaking it. Next, we can go over how to report someone if we're inside a game. If we are inside a game and we see someone breaking the rules, all we need to do is press escape or click the little Roblox icon in the top left-hand corner. And then depending on whoever is breaking the rule, we need to click the little flag icon next to their username. So if this person is breaking the rules, we click the flag and we select the type of abuse, so their text chat or their avatar. And then we select the reason for the abuse. Swearing, offsite links, personal question, dating, cheating, or exploiting, inappropriate username, bullying, or scamming. And those are the options for text chat. If we go to avatar, it also has the same options. And again, this comment section is super important if you actually want Roblox to take action against this user. And that is how you report someone in a game. The good thing about Roblox is that you can actually report certain items or games that are breaking Roblox's terms of service. So if we want to report an experience/game, all we need to do is go to their about page and then scroll down below all their statistics right here. And right above their social links, we can see the report abuse button. That will take us to this page where if they have an inappropriate thumbnail, we can select it using one of these. Or if it's another reason, we can go through the categories here. So the first one is inappropriate language, profanity, and adult content, asking for or giving private information, bullying, harassment, or discrimination, dating, exploiting, cheating, or scamming, account theft, phishing, hacking, or trading, inappropriate content with a place or an image or a model, real-life threats and suicide threats, inaccurate age guidelines, or blood or violence, or another rule violation. Once again, I repeat, the comment section is the most important part of a report that you're making. The more detail you include, the more helpful it's going to be to Roblox's moderation team. Now, let's say we find an item on the regular marketplace or the creator marketplace, and that item violates Roblox's terms of service. All we need to do is select the three dots on the home item page, and then we can select report item. For some items, it'll automatically send the report to Roblox, but for other items, you have to use the same reporting system and submit a comment. And that is how to use the report function on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment down below if this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.